Hello everyone. So today I have built the chatbot regarding the using the LiveKit framework, and I have used the Python programming language for the backend, and for the front end I have used TypeScript, as well the React MUI component. So let's get started with the backend. So from here we can, from the Swagger UI dashboard, we can register a user, and as well we can do login and it generate the bearer access token key. And from the get me here we can get the user who is logged in. And the health check in points, do what it checks the health and give the status like this. And from here we can generate the token. We need to provide the room name, user ID, and username. And yeah, these four endpoints are the whitelisted endpoints, so these endpoints are not in used. And yeah, that's all for the Swagger UI dashboard for the backend APIs. And so if I do log out and if I refresh the page, and I will simply type admin and admin123. So this and here it's automatically, or we get the AI playground as a room name. If I connect here, and yeah, we see it says that hello, welcome to dentist appointment service. I'm your AI assistant, and like that. So okay, now from the I need to turn off this mic. Just a second. So I will refresh it and type admin min 123. Yeah, I turn off the mic, and from here I will be signing with the text test user as a username, and the room will be the same. Yeah, I turn off the mic. Okay. Now what we can do, we can chat, real time chat with person to person. If I text hello from here, and here we can see that we get the hello. And if I type a hi, so here we can get the hi. So this using,
Using
okay,
okay.
so we can also do audio chat with each other with person to person. And regarding the chat with the chatbot will do what? Uh, it will book the appointment for the dentist. And currently the OpenAI source is paid one, so it's asking for the subscription. So yeah, it will only provide the very first text. So if I go to again admin and admin123 login. Okay, and if I tap hello. So second. So yes, this before it was the Docker issue. And yeah, now if I click on the read uh, aloud,
Hello. Welcome to the dentist appointment service. I'm your AI assistant. Would you like to book an appointment today? If so, please provide your name, phone number, and preferred date and time.
So yeah, if I provide my name as test and phone number as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and tomorrow 2 p.m. So that's all. So it won't respond anymore because the version I'm using is the OpenAI, and the OpenAI only gives me the very first chats. And yes, also when I try to use the Olama, but the live kit framework doesn't support the Olama function, calling function. So there is restriction regarding the subscription for the um OpenAI. So OpenAI is asking for the subscription, and that's all for today. And see, now we can do audio chat as well. And that's all. Thank you. Have a great time.